In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain your transaction hash in Trust Wallet. First, let's begin by opening Trust Wallet on your device. Now, once you're in Trust Wallet, you'll notice several features available to you, such as options to send, swap funds, and sell. Additionally, you'll see a list of the tokens you hold within your wallet. If you've conducted transactions in the past, your transaction hash will be present in the corresponding transaction details. To locate this, we'll start by navigating through Trust Wallet's interface. The first action you'll need to take is to click on the search icon, which allows you to filter through your transaction history. Once there, enter Polygon in the search bar. This will help you sort through any transactions associated with this specific blockchain network. From here, you should be able to see a list of transactions that you've carried out using the Polygon network. Select one of these transactions to proceed. Upon clicking on a transaction, you'll be presented with a detailed overview of that specific transaction. This page contains a wealth of information, which includes the status of the transaction, the time it was completed, and a variety of other essential details associated with it. These insights are beneficial if you found yourself needing to trace a particular transaction or confirm its success. Most crucially, among the data available, you'll be able to spot the transaction hash. This is a unique identifier that is associated with each blockchain transaction. The transaction hash plays a vital role when you need to provide proof of the transaction or when verifying it on a blockchain explorer. Now, to obtain this transaction hash, you simply need to copy it from this page. It might be worth mentioning here that having this hash at hand is particularly helpful if you intend to verify the transaction outside Trust Wallet or share this information for support queries. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully located and copied your transaction hash in Trust Wallet. Keep this guide handy for any future transactions that require similar actions. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.